In this video, I'll show you a simple method to make $10 every minute using this new app. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's delve into the details of this method. It's an easy and effective way to earn money online. Before we proceed, please comment below with the name of your country, as this will help me create region-specific content in the future. To begin, I'll provide evidence that this strategy works by showcasing my earnings, totaling over $600. I will even refresh the page to demonstrate the authenticity of these earnings. Now let's move on to the free tool we'll be utilizing to generate income. This tool is called Crello.com, a graphic design platform that offers a range of templates for logos, thumbnails, intros, presentations, and more. It's beginner-friendly and requires no prior graphic design experience. To get started, create a free account on Crello.com, which only takes a minute. With your account set up, we can proceed to the next step. During this step, I will guide you through the process of using Crello.com. Pay close attention to the tips I provide, as they are crucial for success. After logging into your Crello account, use the search bar to find pre-made logos by typing logo and hitting enter. You'll discover a variety of high-quality logos that are ready for customization. Select the logo that appeals to you. Customize the logo by adjusting the background color and text. Simply click on the background and select your desired color. To modify the text, double-click on it and enter your preferred text. Additionally, you can make further adjustments to enhance the professionalism of the logo. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on to the third step, I'll explain how to earn $10 every minute using the logo you've created. We'll be utilizing Fiverr.com, a freelancing marketplace, to sell our logos. Many individuals on Fiverr are generating substantial incomes by offering logos, intros, thumbnails, and other services. Selling logos can be a profitable online business. Create a free account on Fiverr and explore the logos section. You'll notice that numerous sellers are selling their logos for $10 each, with some having sold over 1,000 logos. This demonstrates the significant earning potential on Fiverr. That's it! Now you have the knowledge to earn $10 every minute using this new app. If you're interested in making even more money, check out the first link in the video description for information on other free apps that can help you effortlessly earn $600 per day. These methods are suitable for anyone, regardless of prior experience. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!